For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to deliver a computerized resource, the biggest digital currency that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability, and power. Every one of the obstacles and inventive whimsies encompassing digital currencies were settled when Charles Hoskinson begat Cardano. Cardano establishment, the People Group impressions. The People Group at the Cardano project intends to convey money-related gains to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of teaching and alarming them on all the bare essential of the crypto world. The establishment committed to Cardano establishment's undertaking has support from Information Result Hong Kong and Emergo. Embracing the total sanction of liability towards financial backer social reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK takes care of the surface. Together, they are answerable for editing the inventive peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques particulars. The entire portfolio is fastidiously researched and evaluated by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass attention to the advanced resource ADA upheld by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with diplomats, promoters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate methodologies makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and essentially influences different industry sections. Frederick Gergard, the CEO, has the vision as of now crucially cut for the corporate. Cardano establishment has a devoted and top-quality ability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a critical development period for the convention. Cardano, the new redesigns. There were a great deal of moves up to Cardano's savvy contracts in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most significant overhaul. The Alonzo Purple overhaul got an enormous change shrewd agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and upset the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. However, the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its adaptability to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs, which are fit for dealing with 1,000 exchanges each second. On the off chance that it is valid, Cardano will be the most noteworthy scaling network on the planet. Cardano Specialized Investigation. Cardano is the 8th biggest cryptographic money by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has an immense market cap of $16,072,554,158. The development is principally because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has reported one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. In any case, the year 2022 has not been entirely ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lord. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging from 45 cents to 52 cents. The Cardano cost has figured out how to hold solid help of 40 cents. Be that as it may, after ADA cost hit $1.60 in January, it was exchanging at lower levels. Then, at that point, it had a huge recuperation showing a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy in spite of the unfavorable market patterns from mid-walk. In the wake of penetrating the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a critical rectification and fell beneath $1. As per our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital currency market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from here on out. As of now, the value activity of Cardano reflects solidification. Notwithstanding, we can expect the continuation of positive cost development towards its past high of $1. On the disadvantage, the ADA USD could confront impermanent adjustment up to its past help of 38 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano expectations, the cash will record a cost recuperation soon. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and the cost could begin a cost recuperation in the forthcoming days. This force might take the coin past its opposition level. As indicated by this data, we effectively anticipated that the fate of Cardano would be splendid, and the coin recaptured its lost force and raised a ruckus around town mark. Cardano Value Expectation 2022. The worth of ADA crypto will have a base, most extreme, and normal cost of around 45 cents, 95 cents, and 70 cents for the leftover year of 2022. As per our Cardano Cost Expectation 2022, the rate change is supposed to be around 111% in the crypto markets. ADA Value Gauge for November 2022. Taking a gander at the past exhibition and future Cardano guide, the greatest and least ADA cost for November 2022 might be around 68 cents and 60 cents. Separately, Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be 64 cents. Cardano value expectation for December 2022. According to the Cardano estimates, the normal, least, and most extreme costs are supposed to be around 85 cents, 75 cents, and 95 cents for the long-term in this manner, assuming that you put cash in Cardano, you might procure fair benefits because of the cost development. Cardano value forecast 2023. As per our ADA gauges, the coin might exchange a scope of $1.10 to $1.56 for the year 2023, where the base cost is $1.10 and the most extreme cost is $1.56. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.33. Cardano value expectation 2024. The base and most extreme costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.30 and $1.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost gauge, is supposed to be around $1.53. Cardano value expectation 2025. 2025 is the year when at last the coin might cross its $2 mark again with a most extreme exchanging worth of $2.20. While the base future cost is supposed to be $1.60. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.90. Cardano value expectation 2026. The ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1.85 and $2.50 in 2026, where the previous is the most reduced cost and the last option is the greatest cost for the year according to our Cardano cost expectation. The typical worth expected for the year is $2.18. Cardano value expectation 2027. As per our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and greatest costs for the year are supposed to be $2.30, $2.52, and $2.74 separately. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and assuming that you purchase Cardano at the ongoing worth, dealers can acquire incredible benefits. Cardano value forecast 2028. In light of past execution, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $2.67 and $3.40, while the typical cost might be $3.04 for the year 2028. It is normal that ADA might make another ATH this year. Cardano value forecast 2029. Subsequent to stirring things up around town ATH, the ADA coin will forge ahead the upswing. According to our ADA cost expectation, the base and most extreme costs might be around $3.90 and $4.57 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is anticipated to be $4.24. Cardano value expectation 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost expectation 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $4.90 and $5.74. Simultaneously, our Cardano value expectation 2030 proposes that the typical worth might be $5.32 all year long. For what reason is the ADA coin cost going up? The essential justification for the positive pattern